Hello and welcome. Knowledge without use is useless. Do you believe in this philosophy? This philosophy has been asked in today's questions, that is from Civil Service Examination 2023. That knowledge without use is useless. Discuss this statement focusing on the application of psychology in resolving societal problem. Have you understood the questions? What should come in the answer body? Many students have not, because they have just written that different application of psychological principles in resolving societal problems. Understood? Now come forward. First you should debate the philosophy that knowledge without use is useless. Is it so? First you see this thing. Knowledge has got use. Many, or you can say mostly, the things from applied research has got immediate use. Sigmund Freud discovered psychoanalytical principles to solve some personal problem, the emotional problem, neurotic problem of the individuals. Likewise, that is a clinical thing, but come at the societal problem. That societal problem, when you say that prejudices and hatred and conflicts are more. So what causes this thing? Oklahoma studies, Muzaffar Sharif conducted research to understand how competition breeds prejudice. So the knowledge about the theory that conflict breeds prejudice, this one has got application in understanding societal problem, resolving societal problem. So you can say that there are these. So you need not to cite a number of things from environment and all these things. Just to tell. So definitely, if knowledge is there and it has got use, so it is very useful, and this is well required also. But what about the knowledge that has not any immediate use? Should it be called useless? Copernicus was looking for something through his own telescope and he was writing something. He was not having any idea. He was exploratory. He was doing something exploratory. So, but he immediately, there was no any use of that one. But suddenly he discovered something that changed the whole concept of this universe system, and that this earth is not the center. Ernst Weber in psychology was using something that how different threshold affects our sensation and all. And then it has given birth long after to signal detection theory. Immediately that was not having use. B.F. Skinner or Ernst Weber, you can say, E.L. Thorndike. He was trying to understand how cat behavior is influenced by reinforcement, law of effect and all. That time it was not having any immediate use. But now in midday meal, school going behavior is being reinforced on that principles. So now that principle has got utility here. So many of the knowledge in chemistry also, what happens when this chemical is mixed with this one in our, we were just exploring. So many of the researches, many of the findings and knowledge might not have immediate use. But it doesn't mean that it will not have use in long run or use in future. Or maybe that, suppose for 100 years you have not got any use. Even in that case, you cannot say that it is useless, because you know this thing. Thomas Edison has given a statement that I know thousands ways how a bulb cannot be made. वो हजारों रास्ते को मैं जानता हूँ जैसे वो बल्ब कैसे नहीं बनाया जा सकता. What does it mean? That these knowledge have got utility. So now it will give you way that go this side. So societal problem के बारे में भी वही है कि that many of the principle of psychology, one sociologist, you can say, has given the Emile Durkheim has given the concept of anomie, I think. So anomie का क्या है? मतलब a state that is something like disillusioned. लोग ऐसे अवस्था में पहुंच जाते हैं कि लगता है कि क्या है, लॉलेसनेस जैसी चीज़ें हैं सोसाइटी में, एक कंडीशंस होती. see this thing that might not have any immediate use, but if you try to understand the problem, present problem, long after something has given, then philosophical ideas also, अगर हम आप छोड़ देते हैं दुर्कम को, उस एनोमी से अभी समझते हैं ना कि कैसे लोगों को एलिनेशन हो रही है चीज़, हम लेते हैं आपसे सिग्मा अब्राहम मास्लो हैज़ गिवन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दैट पीपल हैव नॉट ओनली दिस फिजिकल नीड्स एंड ऑल, बट देयर आर हायर ऑर्डर नीड ऑल्सो दैट इज कॉल्ड फिलोसफिकल नीड, है ना, ग्रोथ नीड और फिलोसफिकल नीड. तो फिलोसफिकल नीड्स क्या मतलब, क्या यूज है इसका? वी नीड वाटर, वी नीड फूड, वी नीड शेल्टर, एवरीथिंग, बट we need schools, roads, everything, okay, but apart from this material, philosophical things we also need. And what happened if you do not have that need fulfilled? Then you will not be satisfied in life. So see this thing, something might not have immediate use. जब उसने ऐसा बोला human actualizing, Carl Jung has given self realization process. Then there was debate and discussion with Sigmund Freud. He said that why you are coming with these philosophical ideas? But those philosophical ideas have been used by Abraham Maslow and other humanistic psychologists, originally given by Carl Jung. That transcendentalism and ये सब जो individuations, ये सब आपने पढ़ा होगा, that is now used to understand that what determines one's satisfaction or dissatisfaction in life. See, it is not only material thing. So something might not have immediate use, it doesn't mean it is useless. So you can say that many of the principle of, अभी इतना मैंने आपको नॉलेज के लिए बता दिया, अगर आप सोसाइटल प्रॉब्लम पे ही जाएंगे, कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन बन रही है, लोग में फ्रस्ट्रेशन बढ़ रहा है, बहुत मास लेवल पे प्रॉब्लम होगा, तो आप उसको क्या कहोगे? एक सोसाइटल प्रॉब्लम का रूप ले सकते हैं. तो दैट could be understood by many of the knowledge जो अभी नहीं हुआ, वो बहुत पहले डिस्कवर हुआ. तो things may not be having immediate use, but it is important. So in conclusion you can say, and if I am to write here, then I would say that knowledge is knowledge. It may or may not have immediate use, but knowledge has always some utility, either immediate or in future. So this conclusion I think will be more logical and evidential also. I hope you have understood. So this will be the contour of the answer up to these questions, and which example you take, which point you make it here, all depends upon you. I will check your answer and let you know. Thank you very much.